Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a delicious and healthy snack that's sure to impress. Air fryer avocado fries. And for more tasty recipes and tips, don't forget to check out our website, Cook's Craftery. These crispy avocado fries are not only easy to make but also a fantastic way to enjoy the creamy goodness of avocados. Let's get started with what you'll need. For this recipe, you'll need ripe avocados, breadcrumbs, you can use panko for extra crunch, Parmesan cheese, garlic powder, salt and pepper, an egg for binding. First, let's slice our avocados into wedges. Make sure your avocados are ripe but firm so they hold their shape when we fry them. Now in a bowl, mix your breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan, garlic powder and a pinch of salt and pepper. This is where the flavor comes from. In another bowl, beat the egg. This will help our coating stick to the avocado. Now it's time to coat our avocado wedges. Dip each piece in the egg, then roll it in the breadcrumb mixture. Make sure they're fully covered. Preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Arrange the coated avocado fries in a single layer in the basket. Don't overcrowd them for the best results. Air fry these beauties for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're golden and crispy. You can flip them halfway for even cooking. And voila! Here are our golden crispy air fryer avocado fries. Just look at that crunch. Now let's give these a try. They're so crispy on the outside and perfectly creamy on the inside. A perfect snack or appetizer. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more delicious ideas. And don't forget to visit Cook's Craftery for the full recipe and more amazing dishes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking.